So let me just jump in here because I wanted to do a unboxing video of the recent stuff that I got from duty free since I flew in from London to Barcelona yesterday. So I got some stuff from Charlotte Tilbury since I've been seeing this magic vanishing cream from TikTok. So let's start. And this is the bag that I got from them. So first things first, I got the magic booty cream. So this is the bottle. This is the jar. This is how it looks like. I don't quite like the packaging, especially if you do have nails, because I don't find it hygienic. Like you're supposed to scoop it up with your fingers, and I do have high hopes for this one. So that's one. Then next, I got their setting spray since I suffer from dryness. I got this one. This is the 100 ml version. I'm not sure if they have a smaller size of this one. And then next is I got, since we're already on the skin, might as well get it. I'm not sure why I'm spending this money, but yeah. So the next is I got one of their foundation. I got it in the shade neutral. This is, I think it's a medium coverage. At the moment, I'm just using a Maybelline one. It does work for my skin. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's just like a pump. Yeah, it does have just a squeeze pump, which is quite practical, I might say, and hygienic. Next, I got the airbrush finishing powder. It's silky, definitely. You can feel the silkiness. Why am I trying it now? This is not a try on video. I'll do one for my own sanity. Anyway, okay, so now we're getting to the reason why I went to Charlotte Tilbury in the first place. This is the Magic Vanish magic cream. This is the only reason actually why I went to Charlotte Tilbury. But yeah, I pretended not to be broke and got some stuff. Anyway, it's for your happiness. So I got in the shade Fair. This is how it looks like. It's just a small one. I think this is the only size. Let me show that for you. So it's a cream type. And yeah, it blends out beautifully, I think. Yeah, I hope this will not settle on my dry lines. But yeah, but I found a solution to my dry lines, which the lady suggested. I didn't know about this product. It is the eye serum. This one is the same consistency, more on the water side. The same consistency as this one, as the Magic Booty Cream. It's like this, and it has a ta-da. So it looks really. It's one of those like the Rimmel lip thingy that I've been seeing online as well. So you're supposed to apply this as your eye cream, because at the moment I'm using the Kiehl's one. It's supposed to lessen the look of under eye circles. It's good. It's just that I find it a bit greasy, and it makes my concealer crease. I think that's the reason, or I don't know what I'm saying. So I'm not an expert. So yeah, and I think that's it. Oh yeah. What's good in shopping in duty free is you get this tax free, as well as, I'm not sure if this applies to Heathrow as well, but joined in Club of Volta, which saves you 5% of your total purchases. It's a bit on the expensive side. I mean, for me, I find it that it's a bit expensive, I think. But yeah, I think Charlotte Tilbury lives up to the hype, and I'm just looking forward to use it and add it to my skincare routine. Okay, so that's it. Bye!